Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the essentials are live. Your phone has data or a working Wi-Fi connection, and Telegram has permission to use it. Once done, force close Telegram and reopen it so the app refreshes its network sockets. Make sure background data and battery optimizations aren't blocking the app. Disable any aggressive battery saver. If you use a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it to isolate the issue. This rules out routing problems before deeper troubleshooting. Next, test different networks. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa to see if the problem is network-specific. Clear Telegram's cache from settings to remove corrupted data that can interrupt logs. If that fails, reinstall the app to ensure a clean install. Check your router for blocked ports or firewall rules, and ask your ISP or admin about known blocks. If you use a proxy, confirm its settings match Telegram's requirements. Incorrect proxy details often cause persistent connection failures. To finish, update both your operating system and Telegram app so you're not blocked by a known bug. Then restart the device and try connecting again. If issues persist across networks, reset network settings on your device to clear stale DNS or routing rules, then reconfigure Wi-Fi. If you still can't connect, enable Telegram's debug log or take screenshots of errors and contact support. Key tip: keep a working alternate network or device to compare behavior quickly and isolate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.